Once upon a time, in a lush green forest filled with whispering trees and giggling streams, there lived a tiny squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was the fluffiest and most curious squirrel you could ever meet. Her bright eyes sparkled with mischief, and her bushy tail bounced along with every jump she made. One sunny morning, Nutty woke up to the sound of happy birds singing a new song. "Today feels like an adventure kind of day," she chirped excitedly to herself. She decided it was time to explore beyond her tiny tree home. Off she went, scampering down from her tree on her little squirrel feet, with her nose twitching and whiskers wiggling. As Nutty ventured deeper into the forest, she met all sorts of interesting creatures. First, there was Benny the bear, who was lazily munching on some sweet honey. "Hello, Nutty," boomed Benny in his slow, warm voice. "Going on an adventure?" "Yes," squeaked Nutty. "Would you like to come along?" But Benny was too full and sleepy. He stretched and yawned. "Maybe next time, little friend." Nutty giggled and continued on her way. Next, she met Lucy the lark, who was flitting from tree to tree, practicing her beautiful songs. "Hello, Nutty," trilled Lucy, her voice like music. "Exploring today?" "I am," Nutty answered, hopping on one paw. "Join me." But Lucy had a concert in the evening and needed to rehearse. With a flap of her wings, she bid Nutty farewell. Nutty's adventures brought her to a shimmering lake, where Leo the frog was leaping joyfully in the cool water. "Hello, Nutty," croaked Leo. "Care to join me for a swim?" Nutty clapped her tiny hands cheerfully. "I'd love to," she said, and with a playful leap, she splashed into the water beside Leo. After they swam and played, Nutty found the perfect spot under a big mushroom, where she rested and dried off in the sun. As the day ended, Nutty made her way back home, her heart full of newfound experiences. "Today was the best adventure ever," she sighed happily, curling up in her cozy nest. And so, under the twinkling stars, Nutty the squirrel dreamt of more adventures and new friends to meet. And from that day on, the forest whispered the tale of Nutty's first adventure, a story of joy, friendship, and the simple magic of a curious heart.